boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, into a very cool and chill song from RealestK called Trust. So very nice to play this song, and yeah, we have this chord progression goes through the entire song and one strumming pattern, and that's it. So great, let's start this one up. No need for any capo on this, and we have 5 chords to learn here. So let's look at the chords. We have first the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have the next chord, the A, but with a C sharp in the bass, like this. So what you do here, you put a bar here on the 2nd fret from the D string and down. You could from A string as well if you wish, but yeah, you need from the D string and down. So that means 4 strings from bottom up like this on the 2nd fret. And then you add the 4th fret on the A string. Like that. That's the AC chord, we'll call it. The A was with the C sharp. Then we have the C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be a B minor 7. So, bar here on the 2nd fret again, this time from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And then the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. And that's the chord we need for the song. Okay, so let's look at the strumming pattern. E minor will be the first chord, all right? So we'll play the strumming with E minor. And one round will be down, 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 clap, down, down. We will play one strumming round per chord. So 3 downs first, and then a clap, and then 2 downs, like this. So 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2. So that is one round. 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2. So we have the chord progression here. E minor to D, to the A C chord, and to C. That is the first half. So E minor, D, A, C, C. And then the second round goes E minor, then A, C, then C, and then B minor 7. So that is one full chord progression. So remember, one strumming round per chord will be like this: E minor, D, A, C, C, E minor, A, C, C, B minor. Let's go. D, A, C, C, E minor, A, C, C, and B minor. And that's it, my friends. So good luck with this song called Trust. It's worth learning. Very cool and chill to play. So till next time, play tuned.